Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the PS5 system software update stuck or taking forever. Update not installing. Fix. The fix 1, check your internet connection. Test your network by opening the settings, then network, then test internet connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or for a more stable download. And restart your router and reconnect your PS5 to the network before trying again. Fix 2, pause and restart the update. Press the PS button to open the control center. Select download and upload. Then highlight the system software update and now choose view error info. If available, then select try again to restart the download. Fix 3. Restart your PS5. So hold the power button until the console turns off completely. Wait for about 30 seconds. Turn the console back on and check whether the update resumed normally. Now the fix 4, free up storage space. Go to the settings and then storage. Ensure you have several gigabytes of free space available. Delete unused games, captured or apps if storage is nearly full. The fix 5, install the update using a USB drive. If the online downloads repeatedly get stuck, format a USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT. Now create the folder, the PS5, then create update folder. Inside the PS folder, now download the official PS5 updated file and save it as ps5update.pup. Inside the update folder, turn off the PS5. Then start the console in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear the second beep. Now select update system software and update from the USB storage device. Now the fix 6, clear the cache and rebuild the database. So turn off the PS5, enter the safe mode, connect your controller with a USB cable, then select clear cache and rebuild database, then choose clear system software cache, then restart. If needed, return to safe mode and run rebuild database before attempting the update again. Now the fix 7, disable the rest mode during the update. So go to the settings, then system, then power saving. Now temporarily disable rest mode, then keep the console powered on until the update complete. The fix 8, reinstall the PS system software, last resort. So if every update attempt fail, download the PS5 system software reinstallation file, not the standard update. Copy it to a proper prepared USB drive, boot into safe mode and select reset PS5. Then reinstall system software. Goodbye and thanks for watching.